Understand why the plants on the outside keep dying. Employees are pissing in the bushes. Y'all good? Hard to turn and look and keep balance. Is there cell service at Rolley Lake? Hey. I'm just wondering if we can just bomb by and go into the campground. I'd love to live there. No, maybe they're going to a campground and it's okay to do it. Could you imagine if you lived at one of these houses and you had to put up with this every weekend? What do you think? Should I just go past? We're going to the campground.
What campground are you going to?
52.
And the name? Perfect, yeah. Follow me, I'll open up the gate.
Yeah, it was the second gear. My foot slipped on a rock. Thank you. I'm gonna miss the potholes as best as possible because I don't want... There's a lot of weight on our panniers. Do you hear that? I called it our panniers. Yeah, I don't want the bracket to break. Yeah, when we were at the pub the other day with Mike, you went to your car and me and Mike were by here, by my bike. And as I was getting ready, two drunk guys come up and says, you know, you have to get these grade 12 bolts because they break right here. And I'm like, well, what kind of bike? 1200 GS. I said, that's a BMW. They use shit bolts. This is Japanese. Yeah, but it's better that they break at the bolts, because if it breaks at the weld it together, right? But a bolt you just replace. That one's empty. That one's empty. That one's empty. I think we can probably swing a hammock. They got a hammock. Proper bathrooms. Yeah. Okay, don't get off. I'm gonna take a picture. You look comfortable. Wow, from the back. Huh. You wanna hop off? That's okay. Don't worry about it, babe. You have to take your gloves off. I should put my visor down. Okay.
That's what that bruise is from.
What?
Yeah.
Pannier? Okay, babe, it's literally 12 o'clock. Is this song stuck? Yeah, it is. It's on repeat. I don't know. It could be, but you know what? The battery went dead. So it can play all sorts of weirdness.